Brothers and sisters, boys and girls, I am on YouTube and I found myself one heck of a gem. This is Third Phase of Moon. This is a video that I actually watched from. They actually happen to do things with UFOs, and that's pretty much the majority of what they do. And I found this clip. This gentleman right here, this is Tim Burchett, and he was on the House floor on Wednesday, and he gave us one of the greatest drops. And I'm actually surprised that I can't really say surprised, but I think I might have solved it. And this is very important. Please pay attention and take this about as serious as you can possibly take it. For those of us who are awake, or know those that and others that are awake, you're going to get where this is going. You're going to see the crack in this puzzle. Please pay attention to his words, and I will show them what I mean. So, here we go.
Now the Pentagon is starting a new office to collect information on these unidentified objects. The office is called the Airborne Object Identification and Management Synchronization Group.
Did you hear that? Airborne Object Identification and Management Synchronization Group.
I don't know where they came up with that name. I'm sure they paid somebody a lot of money to come up with that.
Now, did you hear that? Now, let me show you why that is so important. So, again, that was Airborne Object Identification and Management Synchronization Group. AOIMSG. Put it in the go. Oh, by the way, just in case you weren't sure, this is an anagram generator. Smog. What is that? Fog and poison. Poisonous fumes. Smog. AI. Artificial intelligence. Go aims. So magi. What is the definition of magi? Magician, sorcerer, enchanter, person who exhibits in the black art. Magician. Right? What is the definition of aims? Plural form of aim. To direct a weapon or a camera toward a point. To direct or propel an object such as a ball toward a point or a rod of God. Titanium rods. To direct toward or intend for a particular goal or group. Now, once again, we're looking at aims. Go aims. Aims is a go. What is it? What is the... Oh, an acronym? Artificial Intelligence Military Squad. Yes, sir, folks. It is about to go down. And of course, I'm going to come right here to coronavirus. That's right. Carnivorous. First thing. Of or relating to carnivores. Flesh-eating or predatory. Characterized by destructive or predatory behavior or instincts. Very interesting. Various points. Savior? Virus? Wait a minute here. Let's keep going here. Vicar? Now I'm not English, British, or whatever, but a vicar is actually a priest. Anglican parish priest in a parish where historically someone other than priest was entitled to the tithes. A cleric in charge of a chapel in the Episcopal Church of the United States. Roman Catholic clerics. Roman, here we go. All roads lead to Rome, right? Roman Catholic? But what does that have to do with anything, right? That's just kind of interesting. Okay, we got vicars. What? Yeah, let me put it together for you here. We got vicars. Oh, look. A nova, like a micronova. Nova, vicar, savior, visa, coronavirus. Travel visa. Let me see your papers before you can travel, right? Doesn't that... Oh, man, are they vain? Or what? Vans. Vicar. Vans. Vans are used to kidnap kids because, they're curious. And so, oh, here's a little puppy. So, yeah, a van. Vicar. Van. How many Catholic priests were involved with pedophilia? Van. Curious. Oh, yeah. Oh, it gets better. Trust me. Just wait. Look at this. Delta variant? Oh, yeah. What is this? Divalent. I don't know. What's the definition of that? Having a valence of 2. Having 2 sites of attachment. Using an antibody and antigen. Containing antigens, 2 strains. Microorganisms used as a vaccine or serum. 2 sites. Like the White House. There's 2 different White Houses. A lot of people don't know that. There's multiple sites. Yes. What else do we got here? A couple other ones that I actually found. Let's come on down here. Deviant. Well, we all pretty much know what deviant is. A deviant person. That's not really good. Ventral, as in ventricle. Has to do with the body, doesn't it? Ventricle. Interesting. What about Advent? Valiant. You got to remember to be valiant. Travail. Oh, there's a good one. Travail. What is travail? Work, especially when arduous or involving pain, full effort, toil, synonym work, tribulation or agony, anguish, the labor of childbirth. What in the world? Vandal, yeah, as in vandalize. Vandalize our bodies, vandalize our rights, vandalize our children. Advent, here we go. Here's Advent all over the place. Advent? What is Advent? The coming or arrival of something or someone that is important or worthy of note. The coming of Jesus at the incarnation, so to speak. Look at this. Yes, folks, there's a lot of stuff going on here. They're literally putting it in our face. We just have to try and look at it. Look at divert attention. The media. Divert attention. Don't look at what's going on over here. Look at what's going on over there. Yes, advert. Vernal. That's another one to look into. Tavern. Invert. Raven. Travel. Oh, travel. Travel data. As in travel ID. Yes. Let me see your papers before you travel. You have to have the shot. You have to have the jab. Larvae, the stuff that's on the test that they're giving you. The larvae. How are you doing? What else do we got? Let's keep on coming on down here. What else we got? Whoa, what? Devil. Lived. Devil. 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 Yeah. This is getting for real, folks. Last but not least, Omicron. Moronic. Micro. Yes, icon. So here we go. Moronic, micro, icon. And then the actual definition of what it is. Shall we? Moronic. Having a mental age between 8 and 12 years old. Yeah, let's just go right here. Behaving in the manner of a moron. Idiotic. Stupid. Right? We pretty much know this, and a lot of people already know this. Showing foolishness or stupidity. Because they think we are moronic. Micro, very small or microscopic. Smart dust, small, relatively small, used to contrast levels of the noun modified. Micro dust, like as in how they test you, then you're infected. Icon, an image, a representation. Look at this, a representation of a picture of a sacred or sanctified Christian personage. Who would that be? Traditionally used and venerated in the Eastern Church. Jesus Christ? Maybe? An important and enduring symbol. Very interesting. Look at this. Omicron. Wikipedia. Read it for yourself, folks. Word literally means little o. Like the little God, as in big G, little g, Son of God, Jesus Christ, as opposed to great O. In the system of Greek numerals, Omicron has a value of 70. 70? Usually that just means 7, as in completion. Mathematics. I really want to get down to where I should. Here we go. Astronomy. Yes. Micron is used to designate the 15th star in a constellation group. That's funny, because didn't all the bigwigs go down to Antarctica or the South Pole when we had the solar eclipse that went right over all of the islands that are named after them? There's an Omicron Island, there's a Janus Island, Prince Charles Island, Deception Island. I'm pretty sure I've done that one already. Well, actually, it might have been deleted. I've had a couple videos be deleted, folks. I'll have to do that one again and show you. Look at this. Such stars include Omicron, Andromeda. What? Andromeda? What? No way. Look at that. Crazy. Ain't it? Andromeda. Oh, Omicron Ceti. Wait, like Ceticius? Like Omicron Perseus? As in Greek gods? Perseus? Cetius? Very interesting. Wait a minute. Tablets of sex. Gizmo numbers. Also known as base 60 or 6 as above, so below. 6, flip it upside down. It's a 9. You bunch of perverts. No joke. Look at this. This is something to look at, folks. When they're giving us things, we need to be paying attention and try to put it into some kind of an anagram and figure out what it is that they're doing. Look what I just did. They're literally putting it on our face. We have to have eyes to see and ears to hear and try to put it together. We need to wake up. Everybody stay safe. Love y'all.